Yo, I'm Jake from Alans.
Alright, I'm Sam Davies-Bate and this is my bike check.
Frames BoneDeth, Alex Live. Sprockets Colony CC. Fit bike cold cranks from about 3.5 years ago. Premium pedals, red on a blacken. 4 pegs standard. Primo balance rim, G-Sport ratchet hub. United beacon seat. Some white walls without the white walls. Colony front tyre, Colony rim. Load of different colour spokes in there. Federal forks, Odyssey headset, Sputnik stem and division bars. And don't forget ODI grip.
Proper at cubes. No bars. Oh, tag it. We'll start off at the gripping surface. We have ODI extra long necks. We can extend them or we can roll them back. It's up to you. We have Animal Big Fall bars. We've got Animal Barrett forks. Military shit. Got the big 50 cal. That means it's a sticker with a bullet on it. G-Spot complete wheel. We got the bird cage rims, the ratchet hubs hooked up the left-hand drive, the BSD hub guards. The front wheel is exactly the same as the back wheel, but without a cassette. Animal MTT tires. Get a close up of that shit. Yeah, real good. We got the retro dirt roll sprocket, 27 tooth with a 9 tooth driver on the back. WeThePeople patron frame in Battleship Grey, 20.75 top tube, and that's all I know. Some real sturdy lifetime guarantee shit to help you on your way to the depths of hell.